So welcome everyone. Welcome to Sadhaiva classes. Today we are going to take the fourth chapter, fourth lesson from your English textbook. Name of the lesson is Revati's musical plant. Revati's musical plant. Let's see and who is Revati and what is her musical plant. There are some questions. Discuss in groups and share your answers with the class. There are some questions. Pawi upon questions. If you are able to write the answers, let's see. Can you name the famous musician in Emperor's Akbar court? Okay, there was a famous musician in the Akbar's court who could perform miracles when he sang different ragas. Can you name? You have to find the name. Then, what miracles could be performed with his magic? Then, what impact does the music have on human being? What is the impact? Music का क्या क्या इफेक्ट होता है, क्या इम्पैक्ट होता है हमारे ऊपर? It's really good thing, and music is really it acts as a medicine. Do you think music can have an impact on animals, birds and even plants? तुम्हाला असं वाटतं का बरं? Yes. Okay, do you think yes or no? Then तुम्हाला affirmative and negative sentences आहेत. ग्रामर पार्ट मध्येच आलेला आहे तुमचा, डोंट वरी, तो आपण नंतर घेऊया. Let's go to the lesson. Let's go to the lesson, right? Chalo. Revati's
सर
musical
मैं
plant.
बोलूं.
Please, no. Please stop your mute your sound. Please, आता नहीं. Revati's musical plant. Revati's musical plant. So who was Revati? Revati was a student of music. Revati was a student of music. So she was a student of music. She was happy playing on her violin. Okay, she was playing violin whenever she was free. जेव्हा तिला वेळ मिळायचा, she was using her violin. There was a small open courtyard in front of her house with a small cement bench. She would sit on the bench and practice on her violin. There were a few potted plants in the courtyard. While playing on the violin one day, she noted a pot of balsam plant near the wall. The plants were not looking normal. They had pale green leaves and their growth was stunted. Their growth was stunted. Stunted म्हणजे काय? Slow down or stop growth. Stunted चा अर्थ तुम्हाला दिलेला आहे here. Then she remembered she had learned in the lower classes that plants need light for normal growth. She shifted the pot to the center of the courtyard wherever there was ample sunlight. So she shifted. तिने shift केलं. Then while shifting the pot, an idea struck Revati. Why not participate in the best plant contest which was to be held in her colony a few weeks later? Then then and there, she decided to participate, thus making up her mind. She watered the plant and sat down on the bench and started playing her violin. She was very fond of the raga Mohanam. कोणता राग होता? Mohanam rag. Then she played the raga for some time and then she went in for her studies. Every day, Revati would sit on the bench and watch her potted plants. They were growing well and looking healthier than the other plants in the far end of the courtyard. One day, what happened? One day, as she was playing, she noticed a movement in the potted plant. तिला movement सुद्धा दिसले because now the music was being enjoyed by the plants. They were slowly moving their stems, bending slightly towards her. She wondered why they were moving as there was no breeze. तिला प्रश्न पडला, अरे हवा नाही, काही नाही, हवा तो नहीं है, तो ये कैसे मूवमेंट कर रहे हैं? Right? It struck as her, it struck her as odd. Odd means to seem very strange. Okay, to seem very strange. So next morning, what happened? The next evening too, she played on her violin as usual and watched the potted plants with care. After some time, like the previous day, there was a definite movement in her plants. They all bent towards her. सब जो plants होते, they bent towards her. ते त्याच्याकडे झुकले गेले. This astonished and surprised her. That day also there was no breeze. Revati sat on the bench and played a different tune one with a quiet rhythm. She suddenly saw all plants turn away from her as though they did not like what she was playing. Yes, so what she was playing. तो तिने क्या किया what she did उसने क्या किया उसने ट्यून चेंज कर दिया लेकिन वो ट्यून उनको पसंद नहीं आया therefore they went back वो फिर उससे दूर चले गए. Then she started playing her favorite tune again and the plants slowly straightened themselves and bent towards her. Her surmise means what? Suppose something is true, became a certainty. Her surmise means what? Surmise is what? Suppose something is true. उसको लगा कि ये सच है तो मैं ट्यून चेंज किया और ट्यून चेंज करने के बाद she realized that कि plants उसके they bent towards her. Her plants loved her loved to hear her favorite tune. उसकी favorite tune भी उन plants को अच्छी लग रही थी. She kept the knowledge a secret. She did not tell anyone, not even her mother. There were only a few days left for prize distribution. To her great surprise, Revati found her potted plants not only taller and healthier than other balsam plants, but that they had started flowering a few days earlier than the other plants, right? तर तिने बघितलं की झाडं तर चांगली झालेली आहेत परंतु त्यांना काही दिवसांच्या आधीच फुलं आलेली आहेत. बरोबर है? कुछ जैसे जो पीरियड रहता है उस पीरियड के पहले उनको फूल आने लगे. The flowers were big and brightly colored and one of the plants had an unusual kind of flower. The flowers were mauve with white strips. That evening, she knew she would definitely get the prize. उसको लगा कि प्राइज मुझे मिलने ही वाला है. I would definitely get the prize for the best plants. She went to bed dreaming of her plants and the new types of flowers. The next day was the all important day. She got up in the morning and went straight to the courtyard to see her plants. Revati blinked for a few minutes, for there was neither the pot nor the plants. She looked to see if someone had moved the pot. She searched all over. She asked her mother. Her mother said she knew nothing either about the pot or the plant. Some of the neighbors had been to their the house the previous afternoon and had remarked at the beautiful flowers and the healthy looking plants in the pot. But later she had been busy inside the house and had been not to the courtyard, had not been courtyard. So Revati's grief knew no bounds. Okay, वो tension में आ गई because she went around asking everyone of her neighbors, but no one had been anywhere near the pot of plants. She could not lodge a complaint for a pot of plants. So complaint में देऊ शकत नव्हती. She felt as though everything was lost. She did not mind not getting the prize, but sorry she really missed the plants. She had grown very fond of them. They were her friends who enjoyed her music, right? Who enjoyed her music. Yes. So that evening what happened, that evening all her friends were going to the prize distribution ceremony. She did not want to attend, but her friends forced her to. After reaching the place, she went to the benches where the potted plants were displayed. Revati was shocked. There was her pot of the plants on the bench with the name of the distant neighbor of her as the competitor written on a small piece of cardboard and placed in the sorry where we are here. Just a minute. Yes, आगे गए हम. हाँ. प्लेस्ड इन द सॉइल. तर तिने बघितलं की तिचं झाड तिथेच होतं, उसका पेड़ वहां पे था, लेकिन वो उसके उसके ऊपर नाम किसी और का था, उनके नेबर का किसी का नाम था, डिस्टेंस दो दूर के नेबर का नाम था. शी न्यू इट वाज हर pot of plant. She went to the organizer to the show of the show and told them about it. The organizers were not convinced. They were, how can you prove that plants are yours? The lady who submitted them इज अ रेगुलर पार्टिसिपेंट, हाउ कैन वी डाउट हर। वो बोलते कि नहीं, ये प्लांट्स तेरे हैं, कैसे तू प्रूव कर सकती है कि जिस लेडी ने ये प्लांट यहाँ पे लाए हैं शी इज अ रेगुलर पार्टिसिपेंट, तो हम उस पर डाउट नहीं ले सकते। ओके, हम उस पर डाउट कैसे ले सकते हैं। Revati wondered how to convince them. She sat there for a few minutes looking at the plants. The sight of the plants bending towards her while she played her violin flashed across her mind. उसको पता चला, तिला लगेच आठवलं की आपण जर violin वाजवलं, मैंने अगर violin बजाया तो there is a movement in the plants, they move towards her. Now, she told the organizer that she could prove the plants were hers. She ran home. When she returned a few minutes later with her violin in, they started laughing. वो violin लेके आए, सब लोग हंसने लगे, यार क्या violin लेके आए, violin से क्या prove करेगी लड़की। But the ridicule did not deter her from her mission. She told them, I know my plants and I share a secret with them. My plants are music lovers like me, and you could see how they respond when I play to them. When I play to them, they they all laughed louder और हंसने लगे, यार कैसे क्या plants थोड़ी मूव होते म्यूजिक से, like that, saying that they had never heard of plant enjoy music. Plant enjoy थोड़ी करते म्यूजिक का, वो बोले। They asked her, do plants have ears like us to enjoy the music? अरे हमारे कान होते हैं तो हम एंजॉय कर पाते हैं, लेकिन प्लांट्स के तो कान नहीं होते हैं, so how are they going to enjoy the music? No one believed her. She felt very dejected but was determined to win her plants back. Okay, she sat near the plants with a violin and slowly started playing her favorite raga. Engrossed in the music, Revati even forget her plants for a time, but the others could not. With wonder in their eyes, they watched the plants straight at the if, at first, they bent slightly as she played on and on. Their stems bent towards Revati. The stems bent towards Revati, and though they wanted to touch in their happiness, her and in their happiness, the organizers were stunned. They had watched a new. They had watched a new. Right? They watched a new. देखो, तुम्हाला दाखवले पण आहे पुढे. Sorry. See how they are turning towards her. Phenomena. So there was a new phenomena. The organizers were looking of plants responding to music, and Revati had become a great discoverer. They all applauded her and said they were convinced that the plants were hers. They pulled her neighbor up for cheating them and she accepted. After a long argument that she had stolen Revati's plants, she said while walking past Revati's house, she had spotted the plants and had removed the pot in the night to her house and submitted it to the it latter for the contest. तो उसने बोला हाँ हम वो नेबर को बुलाया, तो तुमने इसका प्लांट चोरी किया, तो हाँ ना करते उसने एक्सेप्ट किया कि यस, मैंने उसका प्लांट चोरी कर लिया था और मैंने देखा इसका प्लांट बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से ग्रो कर रहा था, सो आई सॉरी, तो मैंने वो प्लांट उस रात को चोरी करके कॉन्टेस्ट में मैं लेके आई हूँ। As she was a regular participant, no one doubted her. The authorities decided that Revati's plant deserved the first prize as they were the best looking and healthy. Revati carried home the prize proudly with her pots of plants. Okay, तो उसको क्या मिल गया यहाँ पे, बक्षीस त्या ठिकाणी दिला मिळून गेलं बघा. Okay, she got the first prize. I hope you can write the answers, question and answer, right? जितना हो सके उतना ट्राई करो, लिखो, इजी है. Here what is the question? Add appropriate prefix and make. So continue का discontinue आता है, possible का impossible आता है, certain certainly, right? Definite definitely आता है, believe believable आता है, important unimportant, regular irregular, known unknown, place misplace or displace, right? हे आपलं बाकी तर हे आपण थोडंसं घेऊया. फर्स्ट तुमचं जे काय, मला तर ग्रामर पार्टी आपण नंतर घेतला तरी चालेल तो. दॅट वुड नॉट दॅट विल डू, राईट. अफर्मेटिव्ह निगेटिव्ह सेंटेन्स ऑलरेडी आपण पाहिलेलं आहे. लेट्स सी.